Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Winnie, your travel buddy. So you're planning your trip to Vietnam. There are so many cool places to check out, such as the historical capital Hanoi, the popular Trang Street, and as you're planning your tour, you might stumble across footage of this magnificent bridge. It is supported by the hands emerging from the surrounding hills. It's so magical, it's so surreal. And you might wonder, is it worth the trip or is it just another tourist trap? This is the Golden Bridge. It is located in Ba Na Hills, not far from Da Nang, a coastal city in central Vietnam. The city known for a breathing fire dragon. In this video, I'm going to give you the breakdown of the cost, how to get here, and what you'll get for your money so you can make the best decision for yourself. This bridge is actually part of a very well thought out theme park. Imagine mountaintop wonderland or castle in the sky. Fun fact, the local tour guide told me that the French soldiers discovered the hill and realized there were a lot of banana trees, so they referred to it as the Banana Hills, or in French is
Banane.
The locals heard it and started calling it Bana Bana, and that's how the hills got its name. There are 3 ways to get here. You can call a grab car or a taxi for around 350,000 Vietnam dong one way, or you can take the shuttle bus. It is up to 150,000 Vietnam dong one way, or you can book a tour for about $42, which includes hotel pickup and drop off and the admission ticket. The admission ticket is $33 for non-locals. So if you're a solo traveler who wants the comfort of private transport, the tour is a great option. What do you get for $33? First, you take a nice cable car ride up. Your first stop is the Golden Bridge. Brace yourself for the long lines and the crowd. Sadly, there isn't a good time to get here to beat the crowd. The best time is probably around sunset as people are leaving. Continue your journey on your next cable car ride. You will arrive at a mini French town. You'll find streets filled with international cuisines, alpine coaster rides, and a medieval town. And you might forget for a second that you're in Vietnam. This theme park is truly well designed and it takes inspiration from the real and the fantasy world. The best part, in my opinion, is the view, the greenery, and the fresh air. The Golden Bridge is sure to leave a lasting impression. So I would say add it to your bucket list when you start planning your trip to Da Nang. If your time is limited, I would prioritize Hoi An Ancient Town, the Marble Mountains, and perhaps a day trip to Hue, the ancient capitals of Vietnam. Share with me in the comments your thoughts. Would you go?